Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are proud to offer this magnificent 2008 Ferrari 430 Spider F1, finished in Rosso Corsa with Crema leather and Bordeaux carpets. This is one of the best examples we've seen in a long while, and she has covered a mere 12,132 miles from new. Supplied new by HR Owen London in January 2008, she benefits a full service history last completed by ourselves in April 2022. Options include electric Daytona seats, red stitching, carbon fibre driving zone, carbon fibre central tunnel, yellow rev counter, Scuderia windshields, red brake calipers, front and rear parking sensors. The car comes complete with its original leather book pack and toolkit. Moving inside the car, as you can see, the Crema leather is in excellent condition, as are the Bordeaux carpets. If you have any questions or would like to view this car, please call us on 01622 759 599. Many thanks for your time.